So the momentum of a photon of an electromagnetic radiation is 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 19 kg meter per second. What is the frequency of associated waves? Okay, the question is momentum of photon of electromagnetic radiation is this much. Momentum is given. So the momentum is given. What is the frequency? Now we have to calculate the frequency of associated waves. So Planck constant is 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 joule second and velocity of light is given. Okay, but we know that energy of photon is equal to Pc. Okay, energy of photon is equal to Pc. Then P is equal to E by C. So E is equal to, according to energy of photon, HF also HF by C. Okay, HF by C. Here F is equal to H equal to Pc by H. Okay, H is equal to Pc by H. So P is equal to momentum. Momentum of photon is equal to 3.3 10 to the power 29. So is 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 29. C is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by H is Planck constant, that value is 6.6 into 10 to the power 34. Okay. So this one we got it, we get 2. So the frequency is equal to 3 by 2 into 10 to the power 13 Hertz. So frequency is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 13 Hertz. Okay, your answer is 1.5. That means answer A is correct. Okay, answer A is correct. Okay, so once again, the momentum of photon of an electromagnetic radiation is this much. That means momentum is given. Okay, P is equal to this. Okay, the momentum, that means P is equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg meter per second. Okay, this one the momentum is given. What is the frequency of associated waves? Okay, now frequency due to the photon. So energy of photon equal to E is equal to Pc, P is equal to E by C. Okay, but again E is equal to HF, H Planck constant, F is the frequency by velocity of light. Okay, or velocity of photon. Frequency of photon equal to Pc by H. So a P is value given this much and velocity of light also given this much and H Planck constant also given. Okay, now we have to find the value of F is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 13 Hertz. Okay, your answer is A is correct, 1.5 10 to the power 13 Hertz.